5:30, this dramatic crash was caused when the driver fell asleep at the wheel. And look at the problem and what is being done to keep people alert on the road. And later, in the wake of the Virginia Tech shooting, Congress is taking up the issue of security on campus. The discussion's underway in Washington, coming up at 5:30.
Anytime you see news happening in Luzerne County, call our News Hip hotline at 1-800-533-NEWS.
Hey, babies.
In Luzerne County, dial star 1616 on your Verizon cellular phone.
Hi, Bunny.
News 116, the most complete coverage of local news from the ground and the air on WPBTV, the news station. Oh, what a perfect day. Oh, no. Nasal allergy congestion strikes again. It's everywhere. Outside.
Oh, you too.
Prescription Nasonex helps relieve congestion and other nasal allergy symptoms.
Hello,
That's why
Chip.
6 million people use Nasonex last year.
Side effects were generally mild and included headache, viral infection, sore throat, nosebleed, and coughing.
Oh.
Congestion and other nasal allergy symptoms? Ask your doctor about Nasonex.